Hello everybody, I am back again. Before we get started, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Today what I am cooking is Hokkien Noodles. This is a simple and easy way to cook the Hokkien Noodles. And this is not the traditional Hokkien Noodle. They are totally different, two of them. I'm going to show you how to make the traditional Hokkien Noodle later. These are main ingredients that we use. Okay? Chicken stock. This is sweet soy sauce and mushroom soy sauce. The veggie what I'm using is Chinese spinach. I like to use a Chinese spinach because it gives me a different flavor. Okay? Fish ball and fish cake. And the noodles. Okay? Those are the main ingredients that we are using. Of course, we still need to have some like the MSG, sugar, and cooking salt. Okay? So in this pack, there are all seafood dish already, like the fish ball, fish cake, everything here. So we just cut it. This is a fish cake, okay? Cut some fish cake. It doesn't matter how much, okay? It's up to you. If you want more, you can use more. I just want 1, 2, 3. It's enough. And this is a prawn. Cut 1, 2. Okay. Now the veggie is a Chinese spinach. I just need this much. You can have more if you want, it doesn't matter. Okay, that's it. Now we can start cooking now. Okay, light on the flame with high heat. Now the wok is hot enough, so we put 2 spoons of cooking oil. The noodle, what I need is 350 grams, okay? This one bag is 500 grams, what I need is 350 grams. Now, what we need to do is cook it until the noodle turn brown, okay? Now it's still too early. Okay, then we need to put in the chicken stock, 400 grams. Two teaspoons of MSG, 1 teaspoon of cooking salt, and half teaspoon of sugar. For the fish ball and fish cake now, you can put in any time, doesn't matter, it's cooked already anyway. Then go to here. This is a sweet soy sauce. This is sweet soy sauce. Okay, what we need is 2 tablespoons. And dark soy sauce, or we call mushroom soy sauce, is half tablespoon. Okay, just like this. You can put any type of meat like chicken or beef or pork, whatever you want also. Okay? But this one I just put in the fish ball, fish cake and make it simple and easy. No, cook until you can see it's a bit sticky, then it will be okay, alright? Now it's coming soon. So the last one what I put in is the veggie. The Chinese spinach. That's it. This is how we cook the Hokkien noodles, okay? Easy and simple. I can cook it, you can cook it also. Okay? Now, let me have a try. See how good is it. I like it. Okay, that is all for today. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye. Alright, if you want me to cook something, comment below in the video.